Hello everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this 2017 Ford Expedition XLT. This is a local trade, 2 owners, it came from Montana, that's local to us. Clear Carfax, no accidents, it's been inspected. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty for free. You can upgrade it reasonably. It has the sync in it, which is a Bluetooth phone stuff, automatic 4-wheel drive, power driver's seats, cloth. It is a 3-row. It has the bench seats, so we have seating for 8. The Coopers are 70-80% left on there. The oil's just been changed. It's white gold tow package. Super nice and clean. Seated Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees.